Z-Axis Calibration on your Markforged Industrial Series printer. The Z Calibration Utility can take up to 1 hour to complete, depending on the thermal state of your printer. On your user interface, select the menu icon. Select Utilities. Select Maintenance. Select Gantry Maintenance. Select Z Calibration. Ensure that the print bed is installed and that any past prints have been removed. Remove any debris from the print chamber, then press Next. Allow the printer to confirm that the print chamber is at a stable temperature. Once the printer has confirmed that it is in an acceptable thermal state, calibration will begin. Take care not to jostle the printer. Once calibration completes, press Begin to check the range of motion of the print bed. As the print bed moves up, observe whether it makes contact with the print head. As it moves down, listen for motor grinding, which would indicate contact with the chassis. If the print bed did not make contact with the print head or chassis, press Yes, otherwise press No. If you press Yes, press Done to exit the utility. If you press No, press Retry to try again, or press Cancel to exit the utility.